So that was very helpful.
All right, let's get to some quick hits on how you can make some money today. Scott, let's go to TZOO. Gets an upgrade, one of the top 5 internet stocks of 2011. What do you do with this one?
Yesterday, stock broke out, or a day or so before. It had a nice little consolidation here after a move off the highs. I think it's got some room to about 88, 90. I think you could stay with this one and buy it on dips.
And Molycorp had a nice pop on Tuesday, but more competition in the rare earth space. Now we see Vale entering it. Is Moly still a good spec trade?
Molycorp got back on its game, after a nice corrective phase. I still think you could own MCP. Just don't add into strength. I'd rather see you buy it on weakness.
And then we have VeerNet X shares soared, also got an upgrade, outperform rating that's greater than 40% than where it was trading on Thursday. Do you want to get involved here?
Well, guys have been waiting for this one to break out. I have to show you the chart. My traders have been waiting and waiting, and finally, yesterday it broke above this downtrend. As you can see, I love when stocks break downtrends because it frees it up for a move back to highs. I think you could stay with this one, and eventually it does get above this 28.60, 29. It's on its way.
And Priceline.com finally getting some strength here. Do you think momentum's really back?
Priceline has been a sell ever since the earnings. They were great earnings, and they sold it. Now it's got a descending channel also. A lot of these have been breaking to the upside. So watch this level here. I want to show you real quickly. It started to get above there yesterday. Little sloppy, but I do think this has some room back to about 530, 540. It does move fast, so just be very careful with Priceline.
2 stocks, 15 seconds, Scott. Here we go. SINA also having some nice strength on Tuesday. Can you confirm it here?
SINA, I do think, could go a little bit higher. It broke its downtrend on Friday. Just make sure that you don't enter on the strength, more on the dip.
And Qualcomm could possibly benefit from Nokia's basic disaster here because it makes the chips for the Android phones, which is taking market share. What can you trade this stock?
I think Qualcomm is one to own as well. It's one of the chosen tech leaders.
All right, let's wrap